What it do, YouTube? What it do? It's your boy, Abeezy, and I'm right here doing a slapping or capping video, a slapping or capping review. And today, I'm about to be doing a slapping or capping on the Wendy's Frosty cereal. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get these cereals right here. I'm about to eat these mugs and see what it do. Is they slapping or is they capping? Y'all follow your boy to the kitchen. Y'all follow me to my kitchen so I can get the milk. Y'all see y'all boy messes with that almond milk. That regular milk make me go. So let me open up this milk. About to let y'all know if this slapping or capping. And y'all let me know if y'all want me to do more reviews of food, junk food, snacks. If y'all want me to do more slapping and capping reviews, y'all let me know. Alright, let me get the bowl. Gotta get that bowl, yo. Let me get the bowl, gotta get the fork, the spoon. I said fork. I meant spoon. Let me open up the Wendy's Frosties. You know what I'm saying? Open up the box right now. Alright, y'all. I know I'm gonna have to edit this part out. Alright, about to pour the cereal. About to pour the cereal. It's hard doing this with one hand. You start having my cousins and my nephews over here with me so they could be my cameraman. Because when I get my little house, that's what I'm about to do. A lot of my cousins, they about to start being with me. I want y'all to go start being on the, subscribe to the other YouTube channel I got called Abeezy and the Hood Kids and start being on there. And stay tuned for a contact to be on that channel. If that channel get monetized and they start making monetized money on that channel, that money gonna be their money, not my money. Alright, I done poured the milk. Put the milk back up. Put the cereal back up. Fit to get the cereal. A little dark up in here because the light's off. Anyways, I'm about to see if these is slapping or see if these is capping. Y'all stay tuned for this. Hold on. I'm trying not to waste it because I'm doing this with one hand. These mugs is bomb. They is slapping, cuz. They better than Cocoa Puffs. Hell yeah, they better than Cocoa Puffs. And they don't bite the bottom of the root of your tongue. I don't smoke, but I know y'all smokers, you know, y'all like to eat Frosted Flakes. Y'all like to eat, man, Frosted Flakes. That's y'all like to eat. I don't know what other cereal. Hey, y'all let me know, smokers that watch this. Y'all let me know what cereal y'all eat. And when your boy done got off of work, look like I'm tired, look like I'm high. But I am tired, you know, I just got off the A. I work at Amazon, shoot. But anyways, I give this Munchies approval too. So y'all need to, y'all smokers, need to get these Wendy's Frosty O's because y'all gonna like this shit. Like I said, I give this a slapping. Mm. Oh yeah, I got the Oreo slapping or capping reviews next. I'm waiting till one of my cousins come over. I keep on telling myself, hey, I need to call them, tell them, because I still got their Christmas gift over here. Well, his Christmas gift over here, and and I'm gonna just wait till then until he pick up his gift, and then if you wanted to be like, hey cousin, can I chill for the weekend? I'll be like, hey yeah, I'm off of work, so you could chill on the weekend. So not this weekend because we supposed to get some ice, and it's supposed to be like real cold, and this is why sometimes I might want, you know, this around the time I'm gonna get me a fat girl, a little chubby, all shapes in the place, you know what I'm saying, to keep me warm because it's gonna be cold ash. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be like 8 degrees, probably -5 degrees after the ice, but you know what I'm saying? And don't forget, I'm sorry about that, y'all. Hey, Mom, Wendy's Frosty O's is a slapping, not a capping. Coming soon, the Oreo slapping or capping, all the little different Oreo flavors that they got. Those little Debbie ice creams. I'm fit to do slapping or capping on those. Y'all let me know what snacks, what foods, or what restaurants y'all want me to do slapping or capping. Because I will do restaurants slapping or capping. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. It's your boy, Abeezy.